This prevents artificial turf from melting. And let me show you real quick, just to look back. That's the screen side, that's the glass side, and it doesn't have any film on it yet. But we're gonna go ahead and install this and show you what it looks like. It's one of our best sellers. So again, we're gonna do the same thing. That's the adhesive side exposed, and that's the liner. It's got a white paper liner. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna peel this off. Give us about, let's say 3 to 4 inches. And relaxed, because if you can keep it relaxed, it goes on much nicer. But don't be alarmed if you see a little bit of bunching up. That's okay. You can easily pull this product back. You just have to be a little bit careful. Part of the reason why you want to lightly tack in the beginning. There we go. Now, with nice even pressure, I want you to apply one side, grab the middle, apply, even pressure. We got that side done. Now we're just going to move on to this side. You can still see a little bit of tunneling there, and that's just the film not being fully relaxed. So I'm just going to move in, just like that. I'm going to work my way towards the corner. There you go. Now that I've got the top done, I'm just going to work a nice even pattern all the way through. Now, one of the reasons you're not seeing any of the streak lines in this is because of the color of the film. And it'll only get more clear as time passes and as it heats, expands and contracts with the glass. I'm going to look at it at angles to make sure all of it is sitting. Now that it is, I'm going to go ahead and trim my edges. Same thing with the other films. We're just going to go ahead and bump the edges. Overlapping strokes all the way through. If you notice, this product looks like the screen right next to it.